Good afternoon, TCHS families. As some of you may be aware, there have been recent social media postings threatening a school shooting incident at Temescal Canyon High School to take place on Monday. We are actively working with the Riverside County Sheriff's Department. While we do not know who made the post or whether the threat is credible, we immediately began safety protocol. Deputies have been assigned to campus for additional security measures and will be patrolling the perimeter of the campus. Because of the recent school shootings across the country, there has been an increase in threats and false alarms. While the likelihood of these threats coming to fruition is low, we still feel a need to respond accordingly and provide you assurance that we are taking this matter seriously and student safety is our #1 concern. We will continue to be in constant communication with law enforcement. As more information is received, we will work to make decisions and act. We will communicate any further relevant information. It saddens me that I must come to you with this type of communication. However, we felt it best to make you aware and to provide assurance that measures are being put into place to protect the safety of students and faculty. Thank you.